Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could make your very own 3D drawing on TikTok. This has been going around like today and yesterday, so if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then here's an example right now.
Sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down.
So that is what the 3D drawing looks like, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you could make your very own today. And if you guys didn't know, this works both for iOS and Android users, so if you're one of them, then keep watching. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on post notifications, and you guys are amazing, like oh my goodness. And now let's get on with the video. So right now I'm gonna be teaching my iOS users first, so if you're an Apple user, then watch this right now because it's time for you to do the trick as well. Okay, so for my iOS users, the app that we use to do this is Lightspace. As you can see, I have the Lightspace app right here, which is real nice and I like it so much, like wow. And before you use this one, make sure that your phone is up to date when it comes to the updates thingy-majiggy. And it says here that it works in iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone SE, iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, and so on. So pretty much what they meant is that it works on iPhone 6s and above. So if you have those phones, then you can do this trick as well. But if you don't have any of these, if you know someone that has any of these kinds of phones right here, you just go ask them, but like, can I use it for like 1 second so I could be like, you know, like real cool or something. But anyways, once you have that phone and your phone is up to date, then you download Lightspace. I'm gonna be putting a link down in the description for you guys to download that app, and yeah. So pretty much once you downloaded the Lightspace app, once you go on the app, it looks like this, like hello. As you can see here, it shows your thing like this, and as you can see at the bottom, we have a lot of options, but as you can see right now, you have to pay for these stuff. So like, you know, no paying right now. Use the basic ones like this color to the very left. So when you're gonna make your very own 3D drawing, make sure that you film this on a very bright place, because if you film this in the dark, it's gonna ask you to like go somewhere really light. And also basically how this works is that you're gonna be finding a surface like this. The next thing that you're gonna do is that you're just gonna be drawing using your fingers like a heart shape like that, and there you go. That's pretty much it. As you can see, I am holding the heart right now, and if you go sideways like this, which is really cool, you could kind of see that it is going like sideways as well, so it looks like it is actually in real life. You could also change how your painting looks like, and as you can see, it says flame. If you go on flame, your drawing is gonna look like this, like wow, flaming Cheetos right now. So yeah, it could look like this if you want, or if you want, you could change it to a different one, which is spark. If you use spark, it's gonna look like this, and a lot of people actually use this one. So bam, there you go. You see the stars going around right now. Like, what's this? So yeah guys, that is pretty much how this works, and basically what you're gonna do to film an actual TikTok for this one is that you're gonna be finding a song that you want to use for this video. And to do that, you just have to go to the TikTok app, so let's go on it right now. And for me, I save my audios right here on the favorites tab and go to sounds, and for me it's everything right here. So for this video, I'm gonna be using this song right here. Once you get to pick a song, basically just remember the rhyme or like the lyrics of it if there's any. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna be going back to Lightspace. Oh, it's still here, hello. Oh, why is it moving back, huh? Did it move back here? It just went away like boom. For you to record a TikTok using this one, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be clicking on the record option, which is at the bottom left of your screen. And when you click on it, it's gonna ask you if you want to record just your screen or record it with your microphone. And usually what I pick is just with the screen, because you don't really need a sound for this one, because you're gonna be putting audio anyway later on. So basically, let's say I'm gonna start recording. If I click on record, it's gonna ask me to screen record, and once I did that, I'm just gonna be basically like, you know, doing like hand motions like that, and I'm gonna draw like a star or something like that, and just move around like that to amaze people and hold it, and you're gonna be like, wow, it's actually in real life. And once you're done, just press on the record option again to stop recording, and you are done. So once you're done making your very own video right here, the next thing that you're gonna do is just go back to TikTok and upload this and show everyone what we could do that they can't. No, I'm kidding. So So once you're on your TikTok, just press on the plus sign right here and click on upload. And you're gonna be selecting on your clip right here. And if you guys are gonna be using an audio from TikTok, just a reminder that it is usually up to only 15 seconds long. So if your video is more than 15 seconds long, just make sure that you crop it so that you don't have like a quiet piece of clip at the very end of your video. And for me, I'm gonna be cropping it like starting right here when I actually drew the star. You can see the length on the very left of your screen right now. And once you did that, just press on next right here. And the next thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna be grabbing your audio from the top right here and go to my favorites. And your audio should be somewhere around here. So far we should have something like this. Aw, sad. I don't know what I did on that. So once you added your audio to your video, just make sure to click on volume right here and to put the original sound very low like this one and the soundtrack to be really high just like that. And once you're done, if you want, you can add filters by swiping it left or right depending on your choice. And for me, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And once you're done, just press on next. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own 3D drawing thingamajiggy, then be sure to put in the hashtag #SkySfam so I could watch you guys' videos and maybe react to them in the future. Guys, I'm telling you, I keep saying it in every single video that I'm gonna react to them in the future because I really mean it. So like, it's gonna come real soon, so make sure to tag me so I could see you guys' videos, and I'm so excited to watch them. And yeah, so that is pretty much it on how you could make your very own 3D drawing thingamajiggy. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias and wish the links below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye. Just kidding, Android users this time. So to my Android users, if you are watching right now, then it is time for you to learn this trick as well. So to my Android users, for you to be able to use this, you're gonna need to have an AR core on your phone, which means that you could do like augmented reality or something like that. I pulled up a list of Android phones that has it, so better look at the screen right now, because if you see your phone right here, any of these phones right here should have them. And I'm using a Motorola G5S Plus, so like, you know, it's this one, like, hello. So yeah, any of these phones, if you see your phone right here, then that means that you have the AR core and it should work on your phone perfectly. If your phone is not on this list, don't worry, because if you know someone who has any of these kinds of phones right here, you could just ask them to use their phone for a second, then you're gonna be making some good videos right there. Or if you know someone who has an iPhone 6s and above, then you could just ask them to borrow their phone for a second, and then you could make your very own 3D drawing as well. So those are the phones that it is available on. And so for the app that we're gonna be using today is obviously TikTok, and for the actual drawing thingamajiggy, you're gonna be using the Just Align app. Or depending on your phone's performance, if it is like not that good with the Just Align app, you could use the PaintAR just to make sure, because sometimes for me, Just Align app is like glitching, and at the same time, sometimes it is working. So it really depends on your phone, guys. So for the apps that you're gonna need, I'm gonna be putting them all in the description down below for you to download them. And yeah, so basically the way this works is that we're gonna be going to the Just Align app. So once you're on the Just Align app, as you can see here, it says press your finger and move around. So basically how this works is that make sure that you're gonna be filming on a very bright place. If you have a lights or everything like that, then use the very bright lights. Or if you don't have any good lights at your home, you could just use the sunlight by going by the window or something like that and filming your video right there. And basically what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be finding a surface just like this one right here. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be drawing something like, let's say, a star, just like that. I can't draw star right now, like what is this? And basically you have it right there, just like that. And as you can see here, you could hold it just like this as well. Oh, I'm touching something, what is this? And by the way, for the bottom left of your screen, you could actually change the size of your paint. And for me, I'm gonna make it like really small right here. And you should have something like this, you know, very tiny right now. And it's smiling, and you could touch it. And you could go like this, like, whoa, it is actually in real life, you know what I mean? Basically, to record your TikTok, you're just gonna be recording in the record option on the middle bottom of your screen, and if you click on that, you could just start drawing something like this, or like, you know, make a smiley face just like that. And just a reminder guys that all TikTok videos are usually 15 seconds long, so if you're gonna be using an audio from TikTok, make sure to do all of your joints and everything like that within 15 seconds, and that's pretty much it. So right now, once you get to play around with it, the next thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna be finding a song that you want to use for this video. So basically to do that, just go on your TikTok app, and once you're on your TikTok app, basically I just go to my favorites and find sounds from there, because I usually save sounds on my favorites. And for me, I think I'm gonna be using something like this. That's some cozy music right there. So once you get to pick your music, just remember the rhythm of it, or like the lyrics if there's lyrics into it. And once you're done, just basically just go back to the Just Align app, press your finger and move around. So I'm gonna be recording my video right now, and I'm gonna be showing guys what we have later on. So once you are done, you should have something like this. As you can see, I'm actually drawing like in real time right here. And once you're done, just save it on your gallery by clicking on this one right here, and you're pretty much done. So once you're done, just go back to your TikTok app by going here. And once you're in your TikTok app, just press on the plus sign right here and click on upload, because we're gonna be importing our video. And my video is right here on the very top left. And so far, as you can see it like that, just press on next. And once you get into this page, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be clicking on the very top right, which is the sound. And we're gonna be picking audio by going to my favorites right here, and just find your audio right here. And for me, it's gonna be right here. And just click on shoot with this sound. That is so sad. But anyways, once you're done, just press on the volume option, which is the middle button on the top right of your screen, which is this one. So for the original sound, we're gonna be putting that all the way down just like that. And for the soundtrack, we're gonna be dragging this all the way up because we want our audio to be heard by everyone. Once you're done, just press on next. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own 3D drawing Majiki, then be sure to put in the hashtag SkysFam so I could watch you guys' videos, and I'm so excited to see them, so make sure to tag me. Okay. I might also be reacting to them in the future, so just to let yourself be ready, you know, if I do reactions in the future. Okay, so before we end this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the other app, which is the PaintAR, which is the other option if Just Align doesn't really work for you. And when you go to the PaintAR, it's gonna be this one right here. It says made with Unity, searching for your canvas. So basically for this one, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna be moving your phone a little bit just like that, and there might be some ads right here at the top of your screen, but that's okay, because when you save it, it doesn't have any ads. And basically the thing about this one though is that you could actually change color, unlike the other one, which is like just plain white. This one you could actually change colors, so something like red you could change it into. And for this one, it's gonna be the thickness, you know, the thickness of your drawing. So let's make it like, you know, like little thick. How about that? And basically what you're gonna do to record is just press this one once, and it's gonna be recording automatically, and you're gonna be drawing. And once you're done, just press on it again, and it's gonna save to your gallery. So I'm gonna be trying it right now just to show you guys that it works. And once I'm done, it's gonna be looking like this. It's like me drawing like, wow, a star right now. If you move, it's gonna be like sad or happy face right now. And when you move again, it's gonna be sad face, like real nice. So yeah, if you're done, just press on the save option right here, and it should automatically go to your gallery, and that's pretty much it. And also what I like about this other app is that you could actually change the colors, and I feel like it doesn't shake a little bit as much. So if you're having problems with the Just Align app, use the PaintAR app, because that is actually having more options. So that is it for my Android users, and hopefully that helped you guys out. And if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know that in the comments, and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all of my social medias, and which links be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.